Hi, I'm Dean Bushmiller with Expanding Security, and we're talking about system design standards and best practices. I hope you enjoy this. This is going to be a lot of fun for us. I will tell you it's a lot of business process kind of stuff, so I'll just warn you right up front. But it's worth it. Okay, so we're early in the life cycle. We're going to define the stakeholder security components at a high level. This is design best practices. We're going to look for the objectives, the impacts on business, the requirements, and the validation methods that we're going to put in place. How do we know that we got success? That's what we're asking. We're going to define the system security, the requirements, and the verification methods. So when the security is in place, how do we know that that security is in place? Do we do it through throughput? Do we do it through number of authentications per second? What are the verification methods? Do we have any kind of auditing tool that's on top of this? We're going to develop the security views of the architecture and the design. Now, generally these views, if you were using something like SABSA or TOGAF or something like that, they would have multiple different views into the same system. I like to use the three main views, which are strategic, operational, and tactical. Now we're going to identify the lifecycle disruptions, the hazards, and the threats that are out there. We're going to collect that stuff up because we're going to design for that up front. We're going to choose proactive and reactive security controls that will work for us and make sure that they fit into our risk matrix. We're going to provide system engineering that's going to reduce errors and weaknesses from the beginning. We're going to identify, quantify, and evaluate cost-benefit of controls. And remember, the purpose of all this is to inform the analysis of the alternatives, engineering trade-offs, and risk treatment decisions. How will we do what we do, and how effective will it be? This is going to be demonstrated through evidence-based reasoning that security claims have been satisfied. We're going to prove that this works. It may not be in this system that we're designing right now, but we're going to say when we use Kerberos, Kerberos gets us this kind of authentication. When we use NTLM, we get this kind of authentication. And in the past, these things have failed here. These things have succeeded here. Why not choose this? Multi-factor authentication is doing these kinds of activities, and it is reducing our overall threats. We're going to provide evidence to substantiate the claims of trustworthiness in the system that we are building. Now, to zoom out for a second, remember, this is the pure business project management process, and it's going to attach to all our security controls at the highest level for us. So I hope you'll join me for the entire presentation.